A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just show you how to work to crochet a single crochet into the foundation chain, and then how to crochet the single crochet into the single crochet that you have made. So what I'm going to do is I've just worked a chain of 9, and I'm using a 5mm or H crochet hook and some 8-ply or worsted yarn. And I'm just going to, this is just for those that are starting out with crochet, just to make it easier for them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chain, and I'm going to work single crochet into the chain. So what we need to do is we don't use the first chain from the hook, which is this chain here. It's just so that we can bring the work up, because when we single crochet into there, we need a turning chain. So I'm going to just miss that stitch and into the next chain. So we have 1, 2, 3 loops in the chain, if you can see. So under the first, the top 2, the middle and the top loop of the chain, I'm just going to insert my hook in. Then I'm going to pull from the yarn in underneath those 2 top loops. So I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm just going to yarn around the hook and just pull through the 2 loops, and I've made a single crochet. And you just repeat. So we're just going to insert our hook into just underneath the top 2 loops of the chain. So just in and pull a thread through, have 2 loops on the hook, and we just pull through the 2 loops, and you've made a second single crochet. The chain that we miss doesn't count as a stitch, it just counts as a turning chain. So we just continue that way till the end of the row. So just in, through, and then through both loops. So just underneath the top 2 loops, in, and just pull a thread, pull the yarn through with your hook, and then pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. And we just work the same way into the last chain, just under the top 2 loops, just in, pull through, and then just pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And we've got our first foundation row of single crochet that we made into the chain. To work your second row of single crochet, we're going to work 1 chain, because if I don't make a chain, it's just a turning chain. It's a bit awkward to go in there. We just want it to be up at the level of the single crochet that we're going to be working. So I'm going to make 1 chain, and then this 1 chain doesn't count as a stitch, it's just the turning chain. Into the first, as you can see, your single crochet has 2 loops. You have a front loop and a back loop. We're going to work through both loops. So into this first stitch, just underneath the 2 loops. So if you've got your 2 loops on the hook there, you just pull the yarn through and then pull through the 2 loops, and we just repeat that underneath the 2 loops. And underneath the 2 loops, pull the yarn through and then through the 2 loops on the hook. And you've got your little second row of single crochet. So just underneath those 2 loops of the stitch, and then through the 2 loops on your hook. And then we have our last stitch just underneath the 2 loops and through the 2 loops on the hook, and you've made your 2 rows of single crochet. It looks like that, and then the other side looks like that. I do hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.